Hey guys, Clizzardbash here, and I'm gonna be giving you another Cat Mario video. I found out why my FPS was so low because I had some settings on Dextry that were really bad. Also did some studying on the internet of how to pass the first level, so let's start the game right now. Alright, so here we go. I'm getting my RAM in about an hour, and I'm so happy. Shoot. I didn't remember. I need to let it come back to me. Okay. Just move my mouse. Jump on that. Jump over the coin. Just keep running. Jump. Jump. Checkpoint. Okay. Found out how to do it. You don't really have to do this tactic right here. This is what I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so what you do is you go over here. Wait for him to fall, not on me. Okay. And then jump on top of it. And then jump again. And then jump over like this, dodge that. And then what you want to do is you want to do a late run. So you want to do a jump. Too early. I will pass it on this one. I promise you guys. Alright. No, no, no. Okay. Alright, here we go. There we go. Move. And then you jump on a flagpole. Woo! I'm so happy right now. Okay, I've got to level 3 yesterday, so that's a good thing. Alright, now this part I remember. You can jump on here and it just doesn't tell you anything in English. I don't know what it says. So what you do is jump. Jump again. No! Ugh, crap, I'm dead. You have to jump over the, like jump over this and let the ghost thing come out or whatever. I call it the giant marshmallow. So, there you go. And then jump over this box and then go down. You have to hold left because this one drops. As you can see. There's no point in getting that because it kills you. The third one kills you. Okay. Alright. I don't know. Oh yeah, that jumps. And then what you do is you jump up. And then you want to jump over the... Oh! I forgot that breaks. Okay, let's do it again. For not getting my RAM at 20 frames per second is not that bad. I can actually roll with this. Alright, jump over it. Alright, you want to do a late jump. Jump on top of the cat. And then get the checkpoint. What you want to do is jump over this. Go left. Right. Right. Go! Left. I mean, the coin. Oh, I got a checkpoint though. Okay, I'm happy. As long as I got that checkpoint. Alright, so right, left, right, jump over the coin. And then you want to get that. Also get that. Oh, there's no way I can make that. Yeah. Alright, let's do it again. No. Okay, there we go. Oh, come on! Yeah, there's no way I can make that. Yeah, there's no way. Let's try this one more time, then I gotta go with this ram. Shoot, shoot. No! Darn it. Hurry up, man. You're so slow. Oh my god. One more time. Just one more time. I'm gonna make this at least 6 minutes and well, probably 7 minutes. Jump over it. No. Crap. Okay, I think I can work. No, wait. Oh my gosh. No. One more. One more. One more. All right. Okay, this one first. Okay, I think I can make that. Come on! Yay! Alright, here we go. Now jump over the green thing. Wait for the basketball. Don't kick! Okay. Alright. Alright, now we do this. Now this one falls quickly. That falls too! And stupid coin! Forgot! I have to jump over it. Shoot! Okay, at least I made it. Jump over it. Wait for the basketball. Come on. One more basketball. Made it. Alright. Now, I remember what I have to do. I have to jump on top of the blue one. The blue flagpole. No! You're supposed to jump over it! Oh, wait. I made it. It didn't kill me. Alright, awesome. Alright, guys. Well, I'm going to end this video right here, and I will see you guys later. Comment, subscribe, inbox, do all of that. Peace out, people.